Earwigs, or pincer bugs like we used to call them in Pennsylvania, are not just creepy little visitors. Finding them around your sink usually means you might have some hidden water damage issues. So, here's the deal. If you spot earwigs chilling near your sink, it's a sign that moisture is hanging around way more than it should. First off, check under your sink for any leaks or puddles. You want to catch that early before it turns into a full-on problem. Make sure your pipes are tight and there's no dripping going on, because even a slow drip can make these bugs happy. Next, keep the area dry by wiping up any water spills, and maybe use a small fan or dehumidifier if things get too humid. Remember, earwigs love damp, dark spots, so don't let your cabinets become their new hangout. It also helps to seal any cracks or gaps where moisture can sneak in or bugs can enter. If you've got plants close to the sink, try moving them away, because wet soil attracts these little guys. Lastly, regular cleaning is key. Don't let grime or water buildup invite them in. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with earwigs and water damage is ignoring the source of moisture. They only focus on killing the bugs, which is like putting a bandage on a broken bone. Fixing leaks or poor ventilation is crucial. Another common issue is not sealing entry points. Those tiny cracks around sinks or baseboards give earwigs easy access inside your home. Lastly, people often forget to dry out the area properly after cleaning or repairs, leaving the spot damp and inviting earwigs back. The fix? Always check for leaks first, seal all gaps with caulk or weather stripping, and keep things dry and well ventilated. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors who get the job done right, like fixing those sneaky leaks causing earwig problems. Contractors also benefit because the site helps them connect with people who actually need their skills, making it easier to grow their business without all the hassle.